So what would your top 5 maintenance strategies be after losing weight?
Top 5 maintenance strategies after losing weight.
Yes. I mean, one of them you've mentioned might be to still use meal replacements at times.
That is a great one, sure. We make that one. Number 5 is using meal replacements. Using meal replacements strategically throughout your day and throughout your week in situations where you might otherwise have a high-calorie food. Number 2, I'm going to say exercise. When it comes to weight loss, exercise is a small part of it. I tell my patients it's 10 to 20%. But when it comes to weight maintenance, it's much more important. And so getting that consistent exercise on a day-to-day basis will help protect that weight loss and help you maintain it for a longer period of time. Number 3 is behavior change. That it takes a constant effort, and even after you've achieved your goals or even surpassed your goals, without the effort of making that behavior change on a day-to-day basis, that the habits can slip back into the old way and the weight can creep back in. So that's a really important thing as well. Family support, very important. If you don't have a supportive family, it makes it really hard. On the other hand, if the family is supportive, it makes it much easier. So try to involve friends and family and don't exclude them from the process. And number 1, some people may disagree, but I think I'd have to say the number 1 thing is medications. And I say that based on the research, that there is really good data to support long-term weight maintenance with some of the newer weight loss medications that are available.